I'm going to be showing you how to make these little bird's nests that I used in my mini matchbox. I've already made 3 here. This one I used 22 gauge wire and I used 2 feet of wire. The gold one is 28 gauge wire and I used 3 feet of wire. And then this last one is 28 gauge wire and 2 feet of wire. So what you're going to want is something to be your little eggs on the inside. I like mine to be various shapes. And I'm going to show you today using the 28 gauge and 2 feet. 3 eggs on each of mine, but it's entirely up to you. And I use different various beads. I just kind of reach in and what I get is what I get. Then you're going to find the middle by holding the 2 ends together. Just kind of pull it down. Okay. And now you're going to twist to lock your eggs in place. You don't need much, just like 1 or 2. Okay, move this stuff. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to start wrapping your wire around your beads. I hold my eggs with my thumb and my index finger, and I pull with my left hand because I'm right-handed. I just keep going. Okay, once you have a couple of twirls that way, do the other wire, and this one I spin in the opposite direction. And kinks in your wire are fine because they'll add some personality to your nest. So now I'm going to thread my wire through just to kind of grab onto all of those bits. And now I spin again in the opposite direction. And don't worry if it doesn't look like it's coming together. It comes together at the end more than anything. And there is no rhyme or reason to this. It's just very natural, like bird's nests. In the other direction. You can see it's starting to form. You can start to shape it if you want while you're still working with it. But you don't want to get it too tight, and you also don't want to get it too loose. So you just kind of play with it. Okay, I'm at the end of both of my wires. So I'm just going to kind of tuck the tails under and around. And then take my needle nose pliers and give it a little spin so it has some personality. It can be as kinky as you want it to be. And there it is. You can play with it until you get the look you want. Pulling on various pieces will do various things. There you go. A mini bird's nest.